What's up, everybody? If you're new to the channel, welcome to HorsePowerSuspectz. I'm Jacob. There'll be a pop tag. Smash the subscribe button. And basically, what we're going to be showing you on this channel is how-to videos on how to fix a car. Basically anything that you have questions on, we'll fix it. We'll show you how to fix it. We're also going to be showing you a bunch of shenanigans. And, well, I'm a car enthusiast. What do? We go to a bunch of car shows and car meets and just hang out, right? All of you will be getting a whole bunch of good content. GTRs, R34s, 33s, Supras, got it all coming for you. So stay tuned, welcome to the channel, subscribe, and enjoy, guys. Thank you. Have a good day.